Are you ready to explore the wonders of turmeric? This golden spice is more than just a flavor enhancer. It packs amazing health benefits. Today we'll share the top 10 daily uses of turmeric you can easily adopt. Each idea provides unique advantages for your health and wellness. Let's start with the first use, turmeric tea. Simply mix 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder with hot water. Add honey or lemon for taste. This soothing drink boosts your immunity. Next, consider adding turmeric to your smoothies. Just half a teaspoon can enhance flavor and nutrition. It's great for detoxing your body. Third on our list is turmeric in soups. Adding this spice not only enriches the flavor but also adds anti-inflammatory properties. Perfect for chilly days. Number 4 is turmeric face masks. Mix turmeric with yogurt for a glowing complexion. Apply it for 15 minutes and rinse. You'll love the results. Now let's talk about turmeric in stir-fries. Toss in turmeric powder while cooking vegetables. It brightens the dish and enhances health. 6th, try turmeric capsules. These supplements can provide consistent benefits if cooking isn't your thing. Consult your doctor for the right dosage. 7th, turmeric in rice dishes is a great idea. Add a teaspoon while cooking rice. It gives a beautiful color and taste to your meals. 8th, use turmeric in marinades for meats. It tenderizes and enriches the flavor. Your family will love the new taste. 9th, consider turmeric in your salad dressings. Mix half a teaspoon into vinaigrettes. It adds a unique zing to your salads. Lastly, turmeric-infused honey is amazing. Mix turmeric with honey for a powerful cough remedy. It's simple and very effective. To summarize, turmeric is versatile and health-boosting. From teas to skincare, you can easily incorporate it into daily life. Start using these 10 methods today. Explore the benefits of turmeric. Your health will thank you. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more health tips.